Welcome to Dollars and Cents. Today, we're delving into the world of shares, also known as stocks. Let's uncover the essentials of this financial instrument. Shares, or stocks, represent ownership in a company. When you own shares, you become a partial owner of the company, and each share corresponds to a piece of that ownership. As a shareholder, you have a say in the company's decisions, as many shares come with voting rights during annual meetings. When a company makes a profit, it may distribute a portion of it as dividends to its shareholders, providing potential additional income. The value of shares can fluctuate due to various factors like the company's performance and market conditions, making them subject to price changes. Shares are bought and sold on stock exchanges like the NYSE and NASDAQ, where investors can trade them. There are different types of shares, such as common and preferred shares, each with its unique characteristics. However, it's important to remember that investing in shares comes with risks, and thorough research is essential before making any investment decisions. And there you have it, a brief overview of shares. These financial instruments play a vital role in the world of finance, allowing individuals to invest in companies and participate in their growth. As with any investment, it's crucial to be aware of the risks and to seek advice from financial experts if needed. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy investing.